I hope you're doing good wherever you are. In this video, we want to look at one of the articles I just published. That is how to install a theme or a template. That's a WordPress theme. And very soon you'll be getting this email in this article in your email. But for now, let's see how we do the exact steps in video. The one we want to look at is how to install the theme. That is it here. And in this article, as you can see, there are two ways of doing it: the direct download, which is automatic, and then the manual. So first of all, let's go through the direct download. And as I demonstrated, you log in. So using an example of the site, you go to your site /admin. That is if you develop using WordPress. And then you can see I give another one, that is your site /this. That will also work. So right here, instead of /admin, I can use admin WordPress -admin. This should also work. So that is it. So whatever your site, you just type your site and then you /it and then you put admin there, and that will take you to where you can log into your dashboard, which I talked about in previous articles. So let me enter my username and then my password. So we've logged in, and once you log in, as you can see from the video, that's where we've logged in now, or dashboard. You can see it here. And then what we are interested in is the appearance. So we go to appearance. Where is it? That is it here. We come to theme. This is the first way to, or one of the ways to, I don't need this, one of the ways to install a theme. So this is an example of themes we've installed already. So we click on new and then we search for a theme here. So example is in the article we use real estate. So let's search for a real estate theme. I've been saying theme, I've explained a lot in the article. It basically means like already built website. So you just install it and then you adjust it small to suit your company needs. So let's install this. That's it, it's done. We activate it. Boom, we are done. So if we go to seekerpreneur.com again, we realize what are we seeing? Seekerpreneur. It is activated, so why is it not showing? Okay, so sometimes browsers have some funny way of doing things. Let's see Seekerpreneur. I hope Seekerpreneur. What the hell is going on? Appearances. What's happening if I activate this? Visit site. Why is this not taking? It's actually changing, but I'm not supposed to see this one. Well, you can see that the menu has changed. Yeah, but I'm not expected this one also. These features are for another template. So what might be the cost? What might be the cost? What might be the cost? Let's see. Settings, general. I think that should be reading. All these places we'll get there later. It's step by step. For now, we just want to fix this issue here. So let's see reading. Let me choose this and see what happens. Okay, so here is it. You realize this is what we've installed, we've activated currently. So when I come here, let's refresh this. So this is what is activated. So if I activate this and then I come back here, see, that is it here. that is that site here. That is what I've activated here. And then let's say if we have to activate this, and then we where is the site? Yes, so that is it. It's activated here. Now one thing is, you realize here it looks somehow better than it looks here. Installing the theme is not enough. There are other things we have to do so that it will look exactly as we have it here. So for the purpose of this video, this is one of the ways we can install the theme. So we've seen one way. Another way is, as I said in the article, is to go to wordpress.org/themes. okay, I think I got there's also a space here, so let's close it. And then here, so once you come here, and in the article I indicated that these themes, when you go to add new, this sample of themes that shows here are basically coming from wordpress.org.theme. So whatever you can search here, you can also search it here. So let's search for real estate. We've done already, so let me select. Good. And then you can see there's the exact theme here. This if I go to those I've installed already, this, you can see that's the right thing here. So another way is to come here, you download it. Be fast. Good, it's downloaded. So you log in. If you haven't logged in already, we have done that already. So we log in, and then this time we go to the same theme, add new, and then we are not going to search here. We are going to say upload theme, and then we choose, we browse to where the download goes, which is this. We click OK, and then we click install now. Should take less than 30 seconds. For my little experience, between 10 to 20 or 10 to 30 seconds to get this uploaded. So basically that is it. As we wait, we are talking about the two ways you can install a WordPress theme. We know theme is an example of a website. Some companies have created it already, so you will have to upload it into your WordPress framework structure, which we've installed already in the previous video. So this is a good message. The installation didn't work. It says folder, destination folder already exists, and in the article I explained that what that basically means is it means that template is already installed. So let's look for another one. Let's say this one. Let's download this. Good, that is downloaded. So let's go through the same process again. If you've forgotten, you go to themes, you go to add new. You can search here, but if you download it from somewhere else and you want to use that one, so you go to upload, you select here, I think that should be this. You say OK, and then we click on install now. So remember the time is between 10 to 30 seconds, and then we'll get a message indicating whether it's successful or that theme is already installed, or any other message that will come up. Boom, that's it, we are done. Installation is successful, and then the next step is to activate it. Good, once you activate it, you realize that that should now be the active theme. That is what your site should be about. So that is it. The next step is to we'll work on that gradually. So for now, this is it. We've seen the two ways to install a theme. We know a theme, in our purpose, we define it as example of a website that someone, a company or an individual has created already, that we want to download and install in our WordPress framework. And you've seen how to log in, you've seen how to upload it in the two ways. Either manually, you go to your appearance and then you go to themes, and then you search for it, you install, you activate, or you download it from any other website, you find it, you upload it, and then you activate it. So I hope this helps, and then do well to subscribe to my site. Basically you go to online president and then / first. Here you come here, your first name, mobile, and then email. That is all you need to subscribe. and then you'll be notified every week of messages I sent across. That's relevant messages I sent across. Thank you so much. Let's meet again next week. Bye.